Why would one family end up with so much fighting, tricking, and hurting each other?
In Genesis chapter 23 to 27, we see a family filled with love but also with pain. Isaac and Rebekah receive God's blessing, but their twin sons Jacob and Esau grow up struggling with jealousy, competition, and favoritism. The stolen blessing becomes one of the most dramatic moments in Genesis, and everyone ends up hurt. Yet God still works through broken people to move his plan forward. These chapters show how family conflict begins and how God brings healing.
So, what does that actually mean?
It means even families who love God can still hurt each other. Isaac favored Esau, Rebekah favored Jacob, and that grew small seeds of comparison. When people hide feelings or compete for attention, tiny problems become big. Jacob learned that shortcuts always cost something. God teaches us that honesty and fairness make families stronger.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, the brain reacts quickly to favoritism or unfairness, which activates the amygdala and creates anger or fear. Jacob's lying created stress circuits that made him run away, because deception increases anxiety pathways. Esau's impulsive temper showed weak prefrontal cortex control, which made him react instead of think. But honesty, patience, and speaking truth build strong frontal lobe pathways that help relationships grow. God's wisdom literally shapes healthier brains.
How does this show up in real life?
It happens when siblings feel one gets more attention or praise. It happens when a kid hides a mistake instead of telling the truth. It appears when a friend group has jealousy or when someone feels left out. It shows up when kids try shortcuts instead of doing things the right way. These everyday moments are where Jacob and Esau's story becomes ours.
So, small equals big?
Yes, a small lie can create huge consequences. One moment of jealousy can grow into years of bitterness. But one small truth moment can create trust. One kind choice can repair a relationship. God shows us that small actions shape families for generations.
So, how do I start?
Here is a simple 3-step plan. Think, ask yourself, am I being honest and fair? Feel, notice any jealousy or hurt and invite God into it. Do, choose one truthful action today, even if it feels hard. This is how relationships grow healthier and stronger.
What should we do today?
Tell one honest truth kindly, even if it is small. Repair one little hurt with a sibling or friend. If you learned something from Jacob and Esau, comment TRUTHSTEP. And follow along if you want more Bible plus brain adventures that help you grow. God works even through messy families, but he also invites us to make better choices each day. Truth builds trust, patience creates peace, and kindness heals old hurt. You can shape the future of your family through small, faithful steps. Keep growing with God, he is guiding your story.
See you in the next episode.